folks, how are we doing? Join me doing a bit of rolling. We've got the Jcb Rolling AX100s on the back. You can see they've got shatterboards on the front. And yeah, we're rolling in a bit of spring barley we are. The weather we've got at the minute is, well, it could be middle of June. The way it is, super sunny, warm, 17.5 degrees at the minute. It's, well, I don't recall there being a spring, or, well, I don't recall it being this warm in February before. I mean, it possibly has, but it's just, it's unheard of, look. It's unheard of. There's dust coming off the rolls. So, but, thankfully, this is the last decent day, if you know what I mean. Tomorrow's going to be cloudy, a bit of drizzle, then it's turning into more unsettled weather. The temperature's going to drop back down to normal levels, about 10 degrees, so back to normal. But the weather's just, I don't know, it's the unusual seems to be the normal, if you know what I mean. Like this time last year, we were in a deep freeze. It was snowing, snow plowing it was. So you can't quite make the tail of it. But like I say, we've made a bit of hay while the sun shone. Got the drilling done. Well, I've got some drilling done, some fur on, groundwork done. So we're rolling. It's but it's still early, you know. It's thankfully, like I say, it's going to become unsettled, so that'll sort of slow us up again. And when the weather's like this, it's hard not to do stuff, isn't it? So there we go. But yeah, no, I'm in the fast track. That's obviously you can probably tell from you can tell from the vid. So in the old 42, like the Jcb's on the back, like I said. That little beeping is telling me we're coming to the end of a bout. Round we go. As you can see, the way I've done this field, I started from that side and I've done every other bout. So I work across the field now with working back, filling in the work we ain't done. So another benefit of auto steer, that is. Right, as you can see, we're running up a tram line now, and that's where this roller fits in well with our system. We're running on 24 metre tram lines. So you have you've got obviously 8, 16, 24. So you have 3 passes. It does the 24 metres. So every time. So the benefit of that is basically when you come to go over it with a spray, like a pre-emergent spray, you can then easily see where where the tram line marks are. Because I'm running up. You could say, yeah, well, why don't you get a 12.3? Well, yeah, you could get a 12.3 metre roller, then you would just have to do 1 pass in between the tram lines, if you know what I mean. With 8 metre roller, you have to do 2 passes in between the tram lines. With a 12 metre, you get away with 1. Of course, you could go for 24.3 metre, a massive set of rolls, but. But you get the bigger the set of rolls you are, the bigger the track you need on the front. The more awkward it is, the heavier it is, and all that sort of stuff. The more expensive it is. With this 8.3 does us well. Good set of rolls. At the weekend, me, Dino, and Buck, and we went to Simmer over in Paris. We did. and it's blooming brilliant, it really was. Now, most of you will remember that Llama, the UK show, that was at the Peterborough NEC. Peterborough NEC? The Birmingham NEC, rather. Get it right, George. This year for the first time. And we, you know, all three of us, we thought that was brilliant, massive. Which it was. It was a brilliant show, and it was big. But nothing like on the scale that Simmer is. Blimey O'Reilly. Simmer, I should think, was about 4 times the size of Llama. Gotta be. Absolutely ginormous. Yeah, we went over on the Saturday on Eurostar, that was nice. And we also stayed Saturday night at the hotel. We then went Simmer on the Sunday, and we come home about midday on the Monday. So it was a nice long weekend with the boys. We had I'd say we had a good time is an understatement. We had a bloody great time. We were right up laugh, we did. I must say a big thanks to Jcb. They covered our costs for going to the show, which was very, very kind of them. Muchly appreciated. One of the interesting things I found was how many European manufacturers there were that I'd never heard of, which you'll see in the video. There's quite a few on the video, which will be on talking point of our wander around the show. But there is dozens of them. Cultivation equipment, tractor manufacturers, all sorts. I mean, I've never heard of them, just because they don't come to the UK market, you see. Also sort of some of the other, like the big brands like Case IH, they had a grape harvester there. Again, something we never see in this country. There's a lot of orchard tractors and orchard vineyard machines. There's a vineyard sprayer that looked like it was it belonged on the moon. That was that was really interesting, just seeing all the different manufacturers you don't normally see. I think the cherry on top for me was they've got a livestock hall there as well, and they've got dairy and beef cattle that they were showing. Got a little show ring there, and of course all the equipment in the show in that hall was all dairy tech, beef, animal tech, like feed barriers, feeder wagons, all that sort of stuff. And that was a real highlight, because I wasn't expecting stock for a start. So that was great. Again, you'll see that on the video. Hopefully you'll have a look, and it'll give you a tiny glimpse of the scale of Simmer and what's there. So go and check it out. It's on the Talking Point channel. As you can see, we're on the last long run now. We've got a tiny little bit of short work, and then the end and we're done. But look at it. I don't think you can hear me now. I'm under the dust line. Bloody noisy, the old thing. Oh, that's the ups and downs done. We now go in the outside. Oh, there we go. We're done. Our sun's nearly setting. My old stomachs are grumbling. Let's fold this old girl up and we'll get out of it. Okay, that's that. Turn that off. Don't need the GPS anymore. Shut it down. Right. Right, so yeah, check out me, Buck and Dino wandering around the simmer. It's on the Talking Point channel, obviously. There'll be the link as usual when the video's up. But for now, thanks for coming rolling with me. Hope you enjoyed the little vid, and I'll see you on the next one. Ta-ta!